Not long ago, I got a notification on Instagram that Sir Derek Jacobi, one of the greatest living actors, had liked one of my videos. And I was over the moon and I posted about that. And then I wrote, it's entirely possible that it's not actually him and it's just a fan account. But in the absence of certainty, I'm choosing the more joyful thought. And I didn't think much about writing that until someone else made a video about that comment, saying, wow, what a great thought. I thought, okay, let's go with this and let's do some tapping to cultivate that more joyful thought and the ability to choose that. So, taking full responsibility for your own well-being, I hope you'll tap with me. I'm choosing more joyful thoughts, and I choose to love and accept myself. I'm choosing more joyful thoughts, and I choose to love and honor myself. I'm choosing more joyful thoughts, thoughts that really enrich me, really raise my vibration, and then I can spread that to others. I'm choosing more joyful thoughts, and I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself, and maybe anyone else who might be involved. Maybe everybody else, because that would be a joyful thought. I'm choosing more joyful thoughts. I'm choosing more joyful thoughts, especially when there's a lack of certainty. When there is some circumstance and I'm not sure about it, whenever possible, I'm choosing the more joyful thought. Doesn't mean I'm being in denial. I'm not pretending that things are different than they are. And I'm allowing myself to take whatever actions I need to take to deal with what's going on. And I'm allowing myself to see when there's the possibility of something I need to handle. I'm not just pretending that everything's okay and letting things fall apart. But whenever possible, and when it's objectively safe to do so, I'm choosing the more joyful thought. And maybe I've had a tendency in the past to always have the least joyful thought. This is going to be worse than I can imagine. And I can imagine things really bad. I choose to love and appreciate those parts of me that have done that to protect me. If I expect the worst, I'm much better prepared. But that lowers my vibration. What if I could have a more joyful thought? and still be prepared. Being joyful doesn't mean being stupid. I can be aware of what's going on while looking for silver linings, seeing the best possible outcomes. And when I'm in that vibration, I can make better things happen. I allow better things to happen. I'm giving myself permission to choose the more joyful thought. And I choose to love myself for doing so. Body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Let it go. And you can be prepared for the worst while also still be expecting the best and thinking more joyful thoughts. It'll be good for you. It's nice for other people too. So thanks for doing that. And when there's stuff that gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.